Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2024 BMW X6 and we're going to do the tail light tint installation for this vehicle. So as you guys can see, this is how the tail light looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation for the tail light, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. So to start with the installation for this one, we're going to apply tack solution around this area of the tail light, and then for the rest of the tail light here, we're going to apply slip solution. That way, once this is tacked down, we stretch, align it, and then secure it with tack solution towards the end. So tack solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Align it to the edge. Once you have it aligned on the edge, we're going to apply tack solution on top. Grab our squeegee, tack it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. That way, once we apply heat, we seal all of the edges and no bubbles are left behind. So once we finish tacking down that end, all we have to do is secure this section. So just apply slip solution to the lens. Just do a light stretch in order to help remove the fingers here, but make sure to keep it aligned to this lower section of the tail light. And you can also apply slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. That way the film is able to move around more easier. So stretch, keep it aligned, and hold it. You can apply tack solution on top. That way your squeegee is able to glide and not get stuck on the film. Make sure there's no solution left behind. That way we can seal all the edges, and then once everything's sealed, we'll move on to the next piece. So to seal it, just apply tack solution and heat all around, and you can use your microfiber towel to help remove any solution on the edges. So for this piece, we're going to start by applying slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to start by aligning the film to the edge of the tail light here. So just make sure everything stays aligned. Cover here, and you should have coverage on top. So once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, and then use your squeegee to tack it down and secure it. Once you secured this section here, all we have to do now is stretch the film until we reach to the edge of the tail light here. So lift the film, apply slip solution underneath, place it down, and apply tack solution on the edge. That way, once the film reaches the edge here, we can start securing it and tagging it down. So just stretch the film. Stretch it, and it should reach to the edge. Okay, so hold it in position and start tagging it down to secure the film. And then for this part, we're just going to have to lift it just a little bit in order to stretch the film going downward in order to remove the finger that we have here. All we need to do is stretch the film going downward. That way we cover the bottom section and also remove this finger here. So to remove it, we're going to lift it just a little bit, apply slip solution underneath, and stretch the film going downward. That way we're able to cover this section of the tail light. Okay, so now hold it in position, tack it down to secure it, and then you can use tack solution and a little bit of heat to secure and remove the fingers that you may encounter. So when it comes to doing the installation for this one, it's a two-piece installation. One piece covers this whole section here. The other piece covers this lower strip here of the tail light. That way you have full coverage on this end here. So just make sure when you install this piece, align it to the edge right here, and just follow the design as you go. Make sure you're covering the red reflector, and you should reach it up to the top here. So that's for this bottom piece if you want to cover this section here. If not, you could just install this piece that covers this whole entire thing up to where this ends here. So keep that in mind. And now to seal this, just apply heat, and then we'll move on to this piece. Okay, so for this last piece, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Align the film to the edge here. And you can start by applying tack solution on the edge, that way we can start securing it once we have it aligned. So align it on the top and make sure it's aligned to the edge as well. And everything else should just fall into place up to the top edge here. So spray tack solution here, that way we can start securing it with our squeegee. And make sure when you're tagging this down to remove all of the solution that's behind the film. That way when we apply heat and seal all the edges, there's no bubbles left behind. And to help seal the whole tint, once you remove all the solution that's behind the film, just apply tack solution all over the edges and apply heat to seal the edges here, and also to help it tack down around this curve here. And then once you're done tagging down everything and sealing everything, the last thing to do is post heating the entire film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the taillight is to post heat the entire tint. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire taillight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2024 BMW X6. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.